Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's go. This is specs, 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers. So these have like two drivers for two different speakers, which is amazing. So better triple mics, basically one internal, two external for better mic quality. And Qi wireless charging, which is what my phone's for. No, I'm kidding. Sound by AKG, and I actually don't have a knife. There we go. Now let's just shake test. Very nice. Okay, now let's shake the box a bit. Ooh, Samsung. Oh yeah. Just usual books. Random stuff. Galaxy Buds Plus right here. Now I have the charging cable and little wing and ear tips. Let's go. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Oh baby, they look cool. And I'm just gonna try them on for size. They show a little beep when I am when they in my ear. Right now I just have them paired up. I don't have them paired up. My phone should automatically detect when they are on. Yeah. Oh, let's go. New device has been detected. Connect. And I should go to the Samsung Galaxy Wearables app. Samsung Galaxy, the Galaxy Wearable app. And yeah, everything's connecting. Let's go. Okay, now they are almost paired up and 100%. Let's go. Agree. Press next. Next. And bada bing bada boom, I should be all set. Let's go. So, yeah, there's a couple cool stuff that I can do with the Galaxy Buds. One, I can turn on ambient sound. I just got a software update. Install now, battery low, or uninstall them later. But yeah, my right one is off, the left one has 34%. When I open the case up, turn on ambient sound. Oh my god, that actually sounds weird. Yo, I can hear everything including myself. Wow. Oh my god, I can actually hear myself through the earphones. Like the second mic is actually working. I turn it back to low. You guys can't hear it, but it sounds amazing. It's really cool. Okay, now I turn that off. I think my left one stopped working, but it's okay. The right one's cool. I have labs. I just turned on double tap, so that means I double tap it and it should. Nice. Extra high ambient sound, which is basically God mode of hearing. Game mode is basically low latency. Now I turn it on. That sounds amazing. This is really crazy. Oh my god. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video. It is amazing. And I'll let you guys know what they actually sound like later. Right now I just gotta go put them back. Like right now I could actually hear that tapping. It's like super loud. There you go. The case is charging and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna just charge these up and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Wait. Yeah, bye.